In this Teamwork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view your employees' availability calendar. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on Teamwork. Make sure you have either your enterprise or your location selected, then click on Employees. Select the employee you would like to view availability information for, and go to your new top menu bar and click on Availability. From the drop-down menu, select Calendar. Now you should see your employee's availability calendar. Your employee's calendar most likely came up in the monthly view. If you want, you can choose to view this one day at a time by clicking on Day. As you can see, this employee is not available Wednesday, September 5th. I can choose to go to Today by clicking on the Today button. This employee is available all day today. If they were only available a portion of the day, those hours would be highlighted in yellow instead of this all day section. I can also use the forward and backward arrows to adjust the date. Instead of viewing your employee's availability one day at a time, you can also view it a week at a time. Go to the top of the chart and click on Week. Now you should see your employee's availability for this week. You can do the same thing by clicking on List. Now you're seeing this employee's availability for 1 week in a list view. To go back to the monthly view, click on Month, and now you're back to viewing this employee's availability for the month. That's how you can view your employee's availability calendar. Check out the next video to learn how to view your employees' details for their availability through their templates.